Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're coming back for more, and if you're new, it's lovely to have you here and I hope you enjoy what we do. Today I am going to be doing some nail work. Haven't done this before, so if I'm not very good at it, you have to let me off. It basically stemmed from a couple of things really. It's coming into spooky season and I wanted to have my nails done, and I inquired at a local nail shop and it was going to cost me something in the region of £50, which, if you know anything about me, you know that I don't like spending a lot of money. So then, coincidentally, I saw Make Me Up Missa doing a little haulette on her channel, and she got a sheet of nail stickers, and I thought, oh, that's a good idea, maybe I could do some myself. She bought, I think they were £6 and you only got one sheet, so I thought, I'm sure I could find more for less. I looked on Amazon and hey presto, there they were. So I've put links to everything that I've used in the description box. So if you want to see how I got my spooky season nails, please just keep on watching. Well, as you can see, I've got quite a large number of sheets of various types. These little sheets are the water activated types, and these bigger sheets are just peel off and stick on. So with the water ones, they've got like a shiny film covering them here, and you have to take that off before you put them in the water, and you also have to cut them out. So I've cut some out already here, and these ones that come in these packets, you have to just peel them off with the tweezers. And I got these rather nifty, extraordinarily pointy tweezers in a pack of nail art gems that I bought a little while ago, and I'm going to link those in the description because they're really good, very reasonably priced, as are all these. And there's about, I think there's about 29 or 30 sheets of these, and how many of these? 5 of these, and it was, I think, £7.99, something like that on Amazon, but I'm going to link that in the description as well for you. Some of the things are a bit sort of too Halloweeny to be gothy, but some are very spooky and some are big. I mean, these are very big for my little nails, I think, but I don't know who they think's going to wear them, but people with bigger nails than me, that's for sure. Anywho, the first one we're going to try is, I've got one ready here, and I've cut it down slightly smaller than it was in the packet. And have I taken the sheet off? I think I have. Well, we'll soon find out. And I'm going to put it in, I've got a little tub of water here, so we'll put it in there for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so we take it out, and it should magically float off. And of course this is where it won't do anything of the kind, just to annoy me. Oh, here we go, look. And I'm going to put it on here. It's still a bit big, but that doesn't really matter. I've got some kitchen towel here. I'm just going to press it down. There. And then in a minute, when I've done the other ones, There we go, some nice bats. I will put some top coat over it and we'll be good to go. So let's have another go. So I've got another spare white one here because I've done some to test them out already, because I didn't think you'd be interested in seeing me do all 10. So we'll put the little cat in there, fish the little cat out, and see if we can get that to magically float off as well. It's very difficult to sort of get the edge right on these. I might have to put my super industrial strength crafting glasses on just to see if I can see the edge. Oh, there it is, look. So, transfer to my left hand. This is where it could all go horribly wrong. And we'll put the little cat there. And then press it down with a kitchen towel. And I've used Barry M Jelly High Shine nail paint for my nails. I've got a white one as well, which I seem to have left in the other room, but the white one is called Cotton and the black one is called Black Forest, and you can get them at Superdrug, or you can get them on Amazon, or you can get them direct from Barry M, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to put this, the last white one I'm going to do is my super long nail, which I've been growing for quite some time, and I've got a little bit of spider webbage to go, so we'll count that one down. Right, so we get the little thing out, see if we can find the edge. There it is. And then lay it on there. I mean, it has gone over the edge, but I'm sure I can go around it with a blade, a scalpel, something equally as dangerous, and just cut that little bit of edge off there. Or you could tuck it in, maybe. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, you can sort of tuck it in there, look. That's not too bad. Yeah, I think that looks nice actually. Yeah. So this one's got a moon. This one's the one I'm going to do with the white that you can put onto black. And the other exciting thing about these, as I found out yesterday, is that they glow in the dark. I mean, how brilliant is that? With these, you have to peel them off. We're going to go for a spider, so you have to be quite careful that you... Oh, there he comes. Pick him up. There we go. And then put it on like that. Press it down. And then just go over with a bit of clear top coat. And there you have it, really. I mean, if you don't top coat them, they will come off, because I was practicing and washed my hair and then wondered where they'd gone, and clearly they had disappeared down the drain somewhere, which is not good. But put a little bit of top coat on, put one on this one here. I'm quite pleased with that one actually. I think that one looks lovely. And yeah, as I say, there we have spooky nails, maybe a bit Halloweeny, maybe not. I mean, there's tons and tons of designs, so they are, as I say, they range from sort of, let's get some up here. These ones that are still in the packet, these are super Halloweeny because they've got like candy corn and trick-or-treat sweets and things like that, so I probably wouldn't use those. But then on the other hand, you've got these ones which have got nice crosses and spiders and skulls, and these ones have got slightly bigger spiders, and I'm not quite sure how you use those ones, but they're lovely. I've got a whole sheet of bats, which is brilliant. Yeah, the bat was the one that came off in the shower, I think, when I was washing my hair. But yeah, they're really inexpensive, so you could play with them basically and practice with them until you got it completely perfect. But I think they're pretty nice, and especially this one here, this little spidery one there, that's so cute. Yeah, so you can get them from Amazon, as I say, play with them, there's a billion of them, and don't forget to top coat them. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll hand back to myself in close-up. So there we are then. Spooky nails for a fraction of the cost of A, going and having them done properly, and B, a new skill that I need to sort of learn and get a bit better at. But you know, now I'm retired, I've got lots of time to spend being very cheap and practicing lots of skills that I haven't quite mastered yet. So if you could give this video a big thumbs up, I would be very grateful. If you could subscribe, if you haven't subscribed yet, that would be lovely. Follow me on all the things, buy me a Ko-fi if you'd like to, and above all, everybody, please stay safe, look after the natural world wherever you are in it, and of course, everybody, stay strange. Bye for now, see you next time.